Hey guys, Pokejack here. And today we have a Dark Powers EX box with the Gengar on one side. And look at that, it's got the Absol on the other side. Absol. And we also have a Shrouded Fable. Greninja EX. Special illustration collection to celebrate the end of the work week. We made it all the way to Friday. There's a code card. Should take the code card out of there. Could, I guess. Okay, there. Now you see the... Oh wow, there's 5 in here. Oh, there's only 4 for some reason. Into the first pack we go. Persian. Night Stretcher. Kyra. Oh, Hypno. Houndour Reverse. Zoroark Reverse, and an Elephant. So might have a special, oh, I have a tip for you guys. If you guys are importing slabs and you think you got them paid for, and you send your wife down, girlfriend, whatever, boyfriend, down to the post office to go pick it up, you're gonna be paying another 18 bucks for that thing. Galvantula, Malamar, Genesect, Squabs, Absol, Janine's Secret, Art. Twilight Masquerade. Play off my poker cards. Code card. Oh. Got a Fighting Hollow Energy. Houndoom. Here's Janine's Secret Art again, but just different. Horsey, and Tapu Bulu. Are you checking code cards? Oh.
If the internet will let me.
Yeah. Church needs the internet tonight. Joltik. Beware, Night Stretcher, Sylveon. Wow! Okie dokie!
Okie dokie!
Okie dokie illustration rare. That's a pretty cool doggy. That looks like Choo Choo about 8 o'clock. She's barking at you trying to go outside. Right after you took her out at 7:45. Absol. Rowlet. Power Glass. Academy at Night. A Weevil. And a Tapu Bulu. It's a nice little okie dokie, eh? This is Pokejack.
That's a very nice okie dokie.
Yeah, we like the okie dokie.
What's next, Pokejack?
Next, we gotta get the garbage off of here. We get this one open next. So yeah, Mrs. Pokejack went down. I ordered. Okay, well, I bought a slab. And then she hid it on me. I didn't get that thing for like a week. Or maybe it was a couple days. There, you get a free Absol from Obsidian Flames. Twilight Masquerade, Temporal Forces, Paradox Rift. Oh. And you get the Gengar EX from Temporal Forces. This is Pokejack's. Got the sleeves going over there. And the oversized Bayonet. We're gonna send that sucker off to get graded. $1,000 later, not. Okay. How? Yep, okay. Paradox Rift first. It's got 4 different sets in it for even more fun. It's a cool card.
Triple the fun?
Yeah, triple the fun. Purloin, Rika, Screamtail, Porygon Z, Temporal Forces. That one's stuck.
They're just hard to, they're tricky.
Ghastly. Oh, there's a Pikachu. Rhydon Reverse. Rapidash. Miraidon EX. From the old Temporal Forces. Or, yep, I think it was.
Chicken.
That was a chicken. No, that was a dog that barked.
At the chicken.
Oops. Chansey. Draklock. Tickla. Jamming Tower. Glaceon. Gyarados. Lairon. Monkey Dory. Twilight Masquerade. Second last pack. Ducklet. Leafeon. Reverum. Lucky Helmet. And a Sinistcha. Regular holo. And Paldea Evolved is gonna save the box. I guess we got the Miraidon EX too. Maybe. So got the new. I love that new card. Smell. Tommy. Retar. Pyroar. It's a nice looking Pyroar. Helper. And a Veluza. Well, thank you guys very much for watching. Please like, subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next one. Pokejack out.